Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show how to split cells in Excel in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to divide text into multiple columns in Excel, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To split cells or a column into two columns in Excel. First of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you're on Excel, create a new worksheet or open an existing one where you want to split the cell contents. I am going to split the student's first and last name from this cell into two columns, first name and last name. Now, select the cell or column that contains the data you want to split. Once selected, go to the top menu bar and click on the Data tab. Now, under this, you will see the Data Tools section. Click on Text to Columns. A new window will appear with different options. Choose Delimited if the data is separated by commas, spaces, or tabs. Once selected, click the Next button. On the next screen, choose the delimiter based on your data, like space or comma. You can preview how the data will be split in the Data Preview box. Once done, click the Next button. In the new screen, you can choose the destination column where you want to place the split content. Once the destination is selected, click the Finish button. Now, your selected cell's contents will be split into separate columns based on the delimiter you selected.